beef okra stew or veal okra stew or beef okra soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef stew recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef stew recipes. Today we are going to make beef okra stew. The ingredients are 250 grams of beef cut into pieces and washed in turmeric water. Around 20 to 25 shallots. 20 to 25 shallots. 25 grams of garlic. 25 grams of ginger. 2 red chilies. 2 green chilies. 1 tomato cut into pieces. Around 50 grams of okra cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the now put in the garlic, the shallots, put in the ginger, salt, salt the ginger. pieces. Salt. The rest is mixture. Keep on sauteing. Put in the green chili. Thoroughly mix the green chili to the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Something mix. Put in the red chilies. Mix. Now put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly sauteing it. Tomato pieces to the rest of the mixture. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the 2.5 spoons of mixture spices. Put in a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Thoroughly saute mix. Now put in the beef pieces. Into the mixture. thoroughly mix the beef pieces with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing and mixing. Now pour in 300 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook for 35 to 40 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the beef okra stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final beef okra stew. And the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the okra recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.